I hope I'm in focus. I'm filming this video at night. So, hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought of doing another haul. Actually, I did not actually think of doing it. The last haul that I did was not sponsored by Shein. I literally spent my own money and bought all of that. So, I happened to return one of the item, which was the star purchase, actually the thumbnail of the video. You'll be surprised to know that I bought the exact same thing from a different website, and that too at nearly half the price. So, let's begin with the video to know more about all of that. As you might already know that in the last haul, I literally opened the package in front of you guys and showed you all the boots or all the clothes that I got, but I did not review them, like I did not wear them and then tell you how were they. So I happened to wear one of the shoe for an entire day and it was so weird and irritating, and I felt like I literally wasted my money, and that was the star purchase, which is this shoe, and I was really sad, so I thought of returning the product, which actually I did, and it was for 2,300 or maybe 400 something. And guess what? I got 4 things in return of that. That's crazy, and I feel like I got lucky somehow because all of these pieces were on sale at that time, and it took them 5 to 6 days to come to me. I mean, literally, I got these shoes today morning, and I am filming this video right now. So I really want you guys to get advantage of those deals as well on Shein and on Lulu and Sky. And I think we should just get started with the video. So the amount was 2,336 or 48 rupees something, and I just paid 161 rupees extra to get 4 of these items, which includes this sweatshirt. It has these reindeer ears on it. Also, this is what it looks like. It's white in color. It has a snowflake, and it also has a raw winter written on the sleeve. So I really like it, and this is the only clothing item that I got from Shein or online. This was for 560 rupees something. I'll mention the prices here and leave the link in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and khareed lena. So the first pair of shoes that I got from Shein are these. And a lot of you guys were interested in buying the H&M ones that I have. I have them in black color. They're not patterned like this, but this is very similar to that one, and these were for 598 rupees. How cool is that? I mean, ऐसे में ना इस price में हमें local markets में shoes मिलते हैं, और quality is amazing. They were on sale. Same olive color में for 1,200 something, but I told you, I got lucky somehow. So I really recommend buying these shoes if you are interested in buying. And the next pair of shoes that I got are this one. I hope you get a clear idea of what I got. These are very similar to the previous one as well, but they are in white, and I've read somewhere that you cannot have enough white shoes. I'm totally lying. ये मैंने अभी भी बनाया. But anyways, these are the shoes. They have laces and they are super duper comfortable, super trendy, and I feel like white shoes can make any basic outfit look super trendy. So, but same बात होती है, फिर इनको maintain करना मुश्किल होता है. But anyways, they look cool. So I recommend these as well. Moving on, the last thing that I got from Shein is a bag. It's actually a bum bag, and it says, hello. I'm gonna post a video super soon in which I have styled this bag, and this was for 560 maybe, and this is what it looks like. I love the strap, I love the bag. It's really spacious, and you can see I haven't really used it, but I really like the style of it. So that's it from Shein. Anyways, talking about that boot that I returned, I got the exact same boot on Lulu and Sky, and guess for how much? 700 only, and that too in white color. These look super cool. I wish I could say that these are really nice quality, because they're not. I wore them for like 4 or 5 hours only. Only 4 or 5 hours, and the quality of the leather or faux leather or I don't know whatever the material is so bad. I'll insert a close-up shot of the boot right here so that you know what I'm trying to say. इसका पूरा का पूरा layer उतरने लग गया है and I hate it. I genuinely hate it. They're comfortable, by the way. They look stylish. And these were on sale, so I don't know, maybe they compromised on the quality. So Lulu and Sky, we need to talk about this. So the next pair that I got from Lulu and Sky is this one, and surprise actually वो वाला था. This one is as I expected it. This is super good quality. This one was for 1250 rupees and amazing purchase. The color, I do not have anything in this color, so I am super duper excited to wear it more and more this season. Also, I posted a picture of these boots and everybody was like, "Kahan se laye ho?" These are from Lulu and Sky, and I appreciate Lulu and Sky की delivery बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. I mean, they came in 2 days, so I'm really happy about it. And you can see, sorry, gross, but I've worn them twice already, so I'm pretty obsessed with these as well. I am obsessed with boots in general. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also let me know some video ideas in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to do it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Anyways, if you want, I can include lal cotton ke kapde bhi in this. What do you think? I can't decide. This is what it looks. I don't know. I can't speak. In off shoulder colors this season. ऐसा ट्रेंड में ही रहे ना. क्यों बोलती हूँ मैं इतना ज़्यादा. भगवान जानता है कि इतना कंट्रोल करने के बाद जो निकलता है उसके बाद भी इतना बोल देती हूँ मैं. And honestly, I can't talk. कोई भी lame outfit, lame क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं. One was like 600. I'll show you. And leave the link in the link. As I do, and as do like अरे बाबा रे. Oh yeah. Yo.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins.